In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and manage your invoices on Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned Squarespace user or just getting started, keeping track of your billing information is vital for managing your online presence. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Open up your web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. If you haven't already, enter your email address and password, and hit that login button. Once you're in, you should be greeted with your website's dashboard. This is your command center, your hub for all things related to your website management. Here, you have access to a variety of tools and settings that will help you maintain your site with ease. Now, to access your invoices, we need to navigate toward the billing section. From your dashboard, locate the settings menu. You'll find this in the main navigation options on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. What you're looking for here is the Billing and Account section. Once you're in the Billing and Account area, take a look at the list and find the Invoices option. Selecting this will direct you to a centralized place where all your invoice information lives. This is incredibly helpful for users looking to keep an eye on their financial records relating to their website. It puts all your payment information at your fingertips, freeing you up to focus on other aspects of your site. Now, the invoices themselves are conveniently organized in chronological order. This means that your most recent payment will always appear at the top of the list, making it quick and easy to find the latest activity on your account. Scroll through this list if you're looking for a specific transaction or want to review your billing history. Once you find the invoice you're interested in, simply click on it. Doing so will open up all the details related to that particular transaction. Here, you'll be able to view every detail of the invoice to ensure everything looks right. This is also the spot where you can download your invoices to save them on your local device for record-keeping or accounting purposes. If you prefer to keep a physical copy or need one for your files, there's an option to print the invoice directly from this page as well. Just look for the print option and follow the prompts to send it to your printer. And there you have it. Navigating Squarespace's billing settings to access and manage your invoices is straightforward and secure, helping you keep everything organized and accessible. Remember, keeping track of these records is a vital part of maintaining a well-managed online presence. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing.